Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about instance and static members, part of programming in C++ course. In C++, there are two types of members in a class, instance members and static members. Instance members are variables and functions that belong to a specific instance of a class. When you create an object of a class, you get a separate instance of each of its instance members. For example, in this example, Rufus and Buddy are two separate instances of the dog class, each with its own instance of the name and age members. Static members, on the other hand, are shared among all instances of a class. There is only one instance of a static member, no matter how many objects of the class are created. For example, in this example, the count member is declared as a static member of the dog class. There is only one instance of count, no matter how many dog objects are created. In this case, count keeps track of the number of dog objects that have been created. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.